Evelyn. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you, but I cannot see your screen.
No, I've stopped sharing. Just hold on. Soon.
All right, sir.
All right. So let's continue with our class. Just if you can see now, let me know. Do
I can see it now.
So now we make it a table and then I just scroll it from that to 15. So let's go now back to cost price. Our product is already there. We already put our product. So cost price, then we'll start with equals to if this is comma, sorry, if this is equal to this, comma, sorry, comma, this, comma, then VLOOKUP. So now this VLOOKUP, the same method that we follow. Okay, are we good? That's a method. Then you put that bracket, then you put at, then you pick product. Our lookup value is product. Okay, now listen, you remember VLOOKUP always have the lookup value. Now, lookup value is product here because it cost price. What we are trying to say is that whenever the product appears, let the cost price come. That's why we are looking for the one lookup value as product. Is that good? Remember when we do VLOOKUP? So the lookup value now will work product. So we'll be picking product. We'll pick what? Product. Then we'll see close that bracket, that square bracket. Are we good? Square bracket. Then we'll now say table array. Our table array now would be the second table, that other table, not this. This table no get anything because now price we they look for. So the table array will be the table for the second this thing. So we'll now go to we'll put our comma first. Sorry, put comma first. Then we go to, we'll now click sheet 2. Is that clear? After product, first of all, close that square bracket. So we click what? Sheet 2, and then highlight this table as our table array. Are we good? Now, comma. After table array, you say column index number. Always they follow because it's always showing you both instructions. So now, when we do that product, it asks for, you know, all those ones that we have done, you see that it show long. The one that remains, still of check your own, you see it. Huh? Is that yes, it's on. The one you never do will come up. The one you have done will be long. See, just look at the row and see. So we have picked what? Table array, which is the second table. Why do we pick that second table? Because now price will be looked for. Now it's asking for index number. 1, 2, 3. So which one are we looking for? 2. So we put 2. We put 2. Then we'll do what? Comma. Then we'll put what? What last? Eh? No. I've never said we should enter it now. Okay, just hold on, everybody. I want to go back. Now, okay, cost price, 9 ID. Okay, cost price. We'll start with equal to if B6. If B6 equal to quotation, quotation, comma, quotation, quotation, comma, then V lookup. Now V lookup is asking me of what? Table, lookup value. But before my lookup value, I want to use what? This
Sorry,
bracket.
I have a question in that place, sir.
Yes.
Please, can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you.
Victor.
I can hear you.
That I want to ask a question. Quotation question. What does it mean?
What?
That quotation.
Hello?
After this is called quotation.
If you see that immediately I put that quotation, it brings the list of that quotation is to help us bring those table what we are looking for. Immediately, okay, those quotation, no, leave that part first. I'll explain it later. When we get result first. Leave that. I'll explain it later. Okay, if it is that one, just hold on. I want us to have our result first before I explain the quotation. Okay, so now after this bracket, I'll do what add, then I'll pick product. Then I'll close that word bracket, comma. Then it's what? Table array. Now our table array is in what? Second sheet. So now if
all right, sir, all right.
Our table array is what? In sheet 2. So after that comma, you just go and click the sheet 2. Depends on where your own is. So I click the sheet 2. It will bring me here. I'll come and highlight this table. If the table have name, you can even just write the name of the table. If you see that as I highlight, do you know what to tell me? Table 2. Because the table already have name, table 2. So after the table, I'll put what? Comma. Then column index number. With what is our column index number? Purple. Yes. So we put 2, comma, then we pick what? We pick false and close our bracket and hit enter. Close the bracket 2 times. Something is wrong. I'm coming. Close the bracket twice. Close the bracket twice. The last bracket should be closed twice. I close it once. Are we good? First of all, the reason is that, okay, look at now. Why we close the bracket twice? See, you people will miss this explanation. I know do it twice. Don't hold on. Now you ask the question, see the go and answer. Now, if you look at if the bracket open there, if you come to a VLOOKUP bracket open there, how many times we open bracket? So when you come to close, is that clear now? We open bracket as if here, we never close them. We can't open another here, we never close them. So that's how we close it twice. Now, let's verify whether what we do correct. First, before I will not do a drop, a feed out. What will be the problem again? Now you they have, I've been a him they have. Huh? Yes, it's a table. Sorry, it's supposed to feed automatic. Wait, my own did not. Where okay, no. Let's see. Cost price. It feed automatic. It's a table, but my own did not. It's supposed. So now, I beg, leave her first, leave her. Let's verify what we did. I never show you doing. Because when you get back, I went back. It's man, hold on. I'm not there hear English. You go, let me say more now, hold on. I've been now, I want to teach you myself. Hold on. Let me say, hold on. I not go, like I say for the class, say, I know big go say I don't carry people. See, when we reach on stage where you know green follow, I leave you. But not be this beginning stage. Now, first, everybody should just hold on. Now, in this case, now for that formula, what we do, if I pick products, we'll come back. If I say milk now, automatic the price come up. Hello. I know, so that's why I say when they start, it's very sensitive. So let's be very careful. Okay. All right. From the beginning. We are in what? Cost price. Abi? Cost price. Everybody get your pen and paper. No, before done. Do your system first, later you write it. Because if you get and click it, it will show for your formula bar. So you write it there. So let's go. Equal to, if we are starting with if statement, that is why I say, I told us that we are using true function here. Who can remind me? Huh? I said 3 to automate this. 3. We don't do 1. Our second, we want to do so. Okay, leave that one. So equal to what? If, oh yeah, everybody, are we good? B6 depends on what you are having. If B6 equal to quotation, comma, quotation, comma, then VLOOKUP. Now, VLOOKUP, we are looking for, normally, it's asking you, what are you looking for? Now, in this price, what we'll be looking for is price of a product. So we are looking for product. So for us to get that product, that is why we are putting this bracket. Immediately I put that bracket, you see the option come up. Now, in the first one, it says at this row. That is why we are using at. So that at will help us to locate it anytime. If you see that at this row, not be me now, I say give the option. So that is why we are adding that at there. So we now put at. Then we pick product because it's product we are looking for. Then we'll close the brackets. Yes. Square bracket. Okay, let me specify. Square bracket. We have 8 minutes to go. Square bracket. Then we put comma after square bracket close. The next question is table array. Now we are looking for price. Which table are you looking for this price? It's in table 2. That is the other sheet. So we'll now go and click that other sheet. Click that other sheet and then highlight the table. Are we good? Mama, they busy, they write. Now she say you no follow us that time. We now highlight what? The table. Okay. After highlighting the table, which is our table array, comma, then be following, that's why I say be following this instruction. So after highlighting the table, it asks you for column index. Now, what is our column index? Number. So we put 2. After 2 again, comma. Then the last thing is to put whether you is approximate or exam match. Our exam match is what? False. Then we pick false. So when we pick false, we close bracket twice. Reason being that we open bracket 2 times. One bracket is for if statement. The second bracket is for VLOOKUP. Then we hit enter. Now, no see get her. Mama, you don't get her. It's what? No, that drop down. Go and learn it later. The drop. What's it gonna happen? The drop down is very simple. Pass this one. So now, because my own did not go automatic, I will now what? Draw it down so that it what? The function will cover automatic. What's it constantly happen now? How many times we will do this thing today? We have 6 minutes to leave this class. You don't get time again. Eh? You still did not get it. Okay? What of you? Yeah. Why not? See, this thing when I tell you, I say click your table have a follow. See where you go. There's no way. See, go back. See where you're having problems. See, from the master, so you pick from you take off. Brother. Please, everybody, please listen. Everybody listen. If you are doing something, everybody leave what you are doing. Everybody leave what you are doing. Now, I explained this sometimes. Sometimes when they make for the best more. When we make table, I categorically tell us that when you do control P, a small box will open. He always asks you, did my table have a header? Always tick it. That is the problem you are having. If you do not tick it, to create another table, a header for you. So now, your problem now is that use column food. Yes. You did it. Okay, make I send you one more set. I didn't want to. But I don't listen. Okay, in their office directly. No, it was their office directly. Something no, but expense is huge. Not what you want. You know that it is how you yeah, it's very like this. Okay, please, like I said, when you have a table, and normally if you do anything on Excel, it's not a table yet. Hello, it's not a table yet, it's just a written list. So for you to make it a table, that's why I say control what? A control C. Now, immediately you do control C, it will bring a small box for you. And there is a question that my table have a header. And then you have a tick. If your table have a header, like this time, you probably you tick it. If you do not tick it, it will create a table for you, a header for you. And that header will name it by itself as column 1, column 2, to the last column. If your column stop at 6, it stop at 6. Okay. So now, the issue is having now is He's speaking product now, but his own header is really as fun. So he doesn't think as the solution is you must go back and redo the training. You must go back and redo the training. That is all the only solution. Because if you pick on two, what of the product that is ordered for the two? It's you understand. So you go and redo the training. I make I see maybe we went in this about creating the work before minutes. I need it like this in a second. I can show you one. And it's already created. Just created it by having a come at the front, it's not another please. So we never finish. Go back to the first part. First of all, go back to church and say, let me click no, the that one. No, click that one. So go back to the first part. Okay. Okay. If this is the only thing by which only is but people to this like people rotation. So Okay. Person was asking why do we use that? Sorry, David, I beg 2 minutes. The time I never heard what he said. Man, no beg you. So person was asking why do we use that quotation. Now, please just do drop down first so that everything will come down. Do drop down for this so that everything will come down. Fill down, sorry. So person is asking why do we do that quotation? This one, the reason that we even use if statement, normally we are supposed to use only VLOOKUP to bring it. Hello, when I leave with you, during explanation, don't hold on this. Normally, we are not supposed to use if statement. We are supposed to start with VLOOKUP now because it's VLOOKUP that bring those things for us. So the reason that we use if statement, that was why I first of all explained that if statement will tell you if this is true, it should be true, or if it's false, it should be false. Now the reason is that I said if B6 equal to this first quotation is that if this is empty, let this place be empty. So this quotation like this, those quotation like this mean empty. Now, because if I do not use VLOOKUP now, as I do those formula, you'll be seeing 0, 0 here, which is not good. Hello. Can you give me 2 minutes? Just take a while. You understand? So now, if I remove this VLOOKUP, for instance, now, make I go remove that VLOOKUP, that if statement. If so, using only VLOOKUP, remove this one. Okay. So just leave that one. So the essence of that, if this equals to this, so if B6 is empty, let the other 5 be empty so that the 0 should not be there. That's why we use that statement. So whenever you see quotation without anything, it's always referring to empty. Okay. So so when now that we have it, if you pick anything, maybe it will give you the price. So that does that for that. So we'll continue on what Thursday. Try and save it. Control S. If you have not saved it before, Control S, save it. I know the many of us don't have the refresh one. So not an issue. Any question before we take time? Any question? Any question? Oh, see you go on. Please come first. Our class is only to get told. You have saved your own now. We are good to go. But the next class will continue. I'll be in the office if you want to. Ma, I gave you assignment yesterday.